discussed about division of a monomial with monomial. Okay, that can be done by using expanded form. That means writing the monomials in expanded form and do the necessary cancellation, or directly we can do the cancellation. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss, okay, division of a binomial with monomial and a trinomial with monomial and any polynomial. That means the polynomial containing more than 3 terms with a monomial. Okay. So first of all, we'll take a binomial. We'll take a binomial 7x square y plus, or not, 27x square y plus 12x y square. Okay. So this is divided with a monomial called 3x y square. Okay. How to divide a binomial with a monomial? Okay. First of all, write them in fractional form. That means 27x square y plus 12xy square by 3xy square. Okay. Now distribute the denominator to each term. Denominator is distributed to each term of the binomial. So that can be written as 27x square y by 3xy square plus the second term is 12xy square by 3xy square. Okay. You can write the 27x square by in an expanded form. That is written as 3 into 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 is 27. 3 into 3 into 3 into x into x into y by denominator 3 into x into y into y plus, okay, 12, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 into x into y into y divided by, as usual, 3 into x into y into y. Now do the necessary cancellation. 3, 3, 1 times. X, x, y, y. Okay. So that becomes, okay, the denominator will be here 3 into 3 is 9 and the remaining is x, x by, here denominator is y. So 9x by y plus here 3, 3, x, x, y, 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 y. Here the denominator got cancelled. Okay, that becomes 2 2s are 4, 4, 4. Here x got cancelled and y got. So the answer is only 4. So 9xy by y plus 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Otherwise, you can do the sum without any expanded form. That means writing the monomials expanded form by using simple cancellation. So directly cancel 3. How many times? 9 times. Okay. X square. Okay. 1x will be cancelled. Here y. Here 2 y's. 1 y will be cancelled. Okay. Here 3. 4's are 12. X, y square, y square. So that becomes 9x by y. Here 1 y will be cancelled plus 4. So like that also you can do. Okay. Now binomial, trinomial with monomial. Okay. I'll take one example. 6x power 4 plus 10x cube plus 8x square is divided with, okay, no, 2x square. This is the trinomial. Trinomial is divided with a monomial. So as usual, 6x power 4 plus 10x cube plus 8x square by 2x square. Okay. Now as usual, now distribute the denominator to each and every term of the trinomial. So that becomes 6x power 4 by 2x square plus 10x cube by 2x square plus 8x cube by 2x square. Okay. Now write this in expanded form. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. X into x into x into x by 2 into x plus 10. 2 into 5 into x cube by 2 into x plus 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into x by 2 into x. Now do the necessary cancellation. 2 2 x here 2 2 x here 2 and 2 x. Here denominator all got cancelled. So the remaining part of the numerator 3x, that means 3 into x 3x square plus here 5 into x 5x 5 into x 5x here 2 into 2 4 into x 4x. This is the answer. Okay. If not, I told you already. Okay. You can do it by simple cancellation. 2 3s are 6. Okay. This is the method. Okay. Without writing the monomial or the given terms in expanded form, 2 3s are 6. X square. Here x power 4. 2 x's will be cancelled. So the remaining part will be 2. That means remaining power 2 5 times x square x cube. 2 x's will be cancelled. 1 will be remaining. Here 2 4 times x square 3 x's. 2 x's will be cancelled. So what is the answer here? Okay. So 3x square plus 5x plus as 5x. I think this is x square. So sorry, I made a mistake here. This is x square. Okay, x square will be cancelled. So 5x plus 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Now we will take a polynomial containing more than 3 terms. Okay. Now we will take a polynomial a cube 10 a cube b square c minus 15 a power 4 b c square plus 20 a power a b abc minus or plus 35 a square b square. Okay, this is the polynomial containing 4 terms, is divided with 5 abc. 5 abc. Okay, as usual. Okay, 10 a cube b square c minus 15 a power 4 b c square plus 20 abc plus 35 35 a square b square is divided with 5 abc. Okay, so distribute the denominator to each and every term. 10 a cube b square c divided with 5 abc minus 15 a power 4 b c square divided with 5 abc plus 20 abc by 5 abc plus 35 a square b square divided with 5 abc. Okay, so here 5 cancels 10, 5 2s are 10. A cube, the remaining power is 2. B square, only one B will be cancelled. C will be cancelled. So here 5 cancels 15 3 times. 5 3 is 15. A, 4 A's. 1 A will be cancelled. The remaining power is 3. B, C, 2 C's. 1 C will be cancelled. Okay. Here 5 4s are 20. A, B, C. 5 7s are A, 2 A's. 1 A will be cancelled. B, 2 B's. 1 B will be cancelled. C, there is no C, the numerator. So that becomes 2 A square B minus here 3 A cube B got cancelled. Okay, C A cube C plus 4 only 4 because all ABC got cancelled plus here 7 A B by C. Okay, so this is the result of the division of a polynomial containing 4 terms with a monomial. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Pyramid Tutorials. Thank you.